missing someone. But without you,
just gonna film this just to see like the difference in my room when I get back from Scotland. So this is the current situation in my room. Drawers are over here, TV's here, my wardrobe's here. Bed's gonna be staying in the same place, desk's gonna be in the same place. Wall should hopefully be grey by the time I get back. That unit should be gone so I can walk around my bed, and I'll hopefully have some new bedding on, and hopefully have my mirror up and my lights. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to show my face because no one needs to see that today with the actual state of my skin at the minute, but this is just going to be a wee room tour. Those clips that you've just seen were taken in July, I think, like actual months ago, and I've only got around to actually filming this now because I've had wee loose ends that needed tied up recently, like had to get my shelves put up and just stuff like that. Like it's just been quite a long process of getting my room done, but it's all done now. So yeah, it's been a massive change from the way it was in July. So hopefully you enjoy seeing how much my room has transformed. If you haven't noticed, I actually got a new camera, so hopefully the audio and the quality of my videos are going to start being a lot better. It's the Lumix camera. Please ignore the hack of me. But yeah, welcome to my long-awaited room tour. My room's finally done and where I want it to be, so yeah, hope you enjoy it. Just starting up my door then, this is all you see when you come in. So you've got my dressing gown and all my bags and coats and stuff like that. Hoping to get some like better storage sometime soon and get like wee hooks or something for there. And then the next thing you have is my TV, my PS4 and my drawers with just like all my clothes and stuff in it. And then I've just got a wee storage box with all my Depop stuff and my handbag and my bin. And my TV is actually on a stand that lets you like rotate it and stuff. So yeah, and then I've just got a wee sign from my cousin that I got for my 21st birthday and just a wee Tiffany bag there as well. So then turning around to here, we have my dressing table slash desk. So I've got the basic IKEA dressing table set up. I've got my lights, which I'll just turn on so you can see it properly. So yeah, we've got my lights and my desk. All my furniture in my room is Malm, the white Malm stuff. So my drawers are Malm and my dressing table as well with the glass top on, and it's just got like a nice drawer that comes out as well. And then just my number 7 mirror, and I got this chair from eBay, but you can get it on Amazon and stuff like that as well. So it's just like a really nice grey velvet sort of chair. So yeah, I have that. Just got a couple of wee Christmas candles burning. Don't judge me, I know it's only October, but after this year, like, Christmas can't come early enough. And then I've just got my little planner thing here that I just write my work hours in and stuff like that. And then moving on to this side of my room then, I've just got my tall Malm drawers. I really wanted Alex drawers for ages, but I decided against them and just thought it'd be better if I just matched everything. So I've just got those, and that just stores all my makeup and stuff like that. So just got all my palettes in there, my lashes and stuff like that in that one, my actual makeup bag and all that in there, and my hair stuff like my curling wand and all that in that one. And then those last two are just a bit random. So then just moving on to the top of my drawers then, I've just got my MacBook and I've got like 3 wee cactus things from IKEA. And again, I know everyone has these, it's just the wee brush holder things from IKEA, and my Himalayan salt lamp as well. And I'll just show you something else that's really cool about these drawers. So it's actually got makeup storage in it and a mirror, but I can't lift it properly because there's stuff sitting on it, but it's got a wee mirror in there as well, which is really cool. So yeah, that is my drawers beside my bed. And then I have these prints that I just got off Etsy, and it just says "Be still." And I just really like this because obviously like it's a bedroom and it's just like a really nice calm quote, but it's also the name of my favourite Killer song, so I just thought that was really nice. And then I just got those frames off Etsy as well, I think. So then moving on to above my bed, I've got these wee art shelves from IKEA. They're just like clear acrylic shelves, and I've just put a couple of prints on them. That one's from Desenio or whatever you call it, and that one's off Etsy as well. And the frames are from IKEA, I think. and that plant's from IKEA, the hanging ivy is from IKEA, and then I just got those vine things off eBay. So then moving on to my actual bed, I just got like a black storage bed which is absolutely full of shit. Like honestly I don't know what I would do without it. So it lifts up and I can put like loads of crap underneath it. And then I've got my LED strip lights which I actually only got put up last week and I'm absolutely loving them. Like see at night time whenever the salt lamp and the lights are on, it just looks so like calm, like you just get such chill vibes from it. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving that. And then this bedding is from Dunelm, I think. It's just like a really nice reversible bedding. It's got black on the other side. And then my bedside cabinet's not very exciting, it's just another Malm piece of furniture. And then I've got my Amazon Echo and my lamp as well there. Pretty boring. I think that's everything for my room. I've got my big mirrored wardrobe as well, which I'm not going to show you because it is just an absolute mess inside. And I've got this wee rug thing from B&M. I think it was like £15, and honestly it is like the softest thing I've ever felt in my life. And the shade on my walls I think is Dulux Natural Slate and just like a marble wallpaper there. And my curtains are from Dunelm. I have a blackout blind but it just decided to stop working. Like the light just started coming in the sides and the bottom, so I just got those like blackout curtains as well. I just went for like a really nice calm vibe in my room. I'm wanting to get all that sorted out because I know that just looks a bit cluttered at the minute, but yeah, I'm really happy with my room actually. Almost forgot this light then. This lampshade is from Argos and it's just like a really nice feather effect. I'll turn it on and let you see it properly. That's it there. I just think it's such a nice wee thing. Just adds the chill vibe, so yeah. Wouldn't be me if I didn't forget to film an outro. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little room transformation video. And I'm going to be doing a very similar video sometime soon. My mum and dad have decided to let me redesign the living room. So I've been planning that and ordering things and picking things for that. So I'm hoping it'll all start to come together soon. It's not actually started yet, like we're waiting on doors and stuff like that, but it's gonna be a big transformation, so keep an eye out for that on my channel. Hopefully it'll be done in time for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!